Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how you can hide your subscriptions list in TikTok. It's very easy to do. To do this, you open your profile. Then you click on the three bars, and click on Settings and Privacy. You open Privacy. And then you go down a little bit further, and you find Following List. And here, among the two items, you select Only Me. And now once you have selected this item, only you will be able to view the list of your subscriptions in TikTok. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.